Good morning, Kinder B. I hope you all are doing well. I can tell you I am doing well, and we're going to get started with our phonics lesson for today. Let's go ahead and start with chart 13. Ready? Begin. Full and beautiful, F-U-L. Air and care, A-R-E. Ton and mountain, T-A-I-N. And pure, U-R-E. Tur and pasture, T-U-R-E. War and warm, W-A-R. Shun and nation, T-I-O-N. Shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. Shun and television, S-I-O-N. A and 8, E-I-G-H. Or and sailor, O-R. R and dollar, A-R. A and crystal, Y. Air and cherry, E-R-R. Okay, great. So now let's go ahead and I'm going to flip and see if you could do it on your own. And we're going to do chart 11 review. Okay, chart 11 review. Let's see if you know it. I'm going to flip the cards. I'm not going to say it. I want you to say it out loud as I'm flipping. Ready? This is from chart 11. And banana, A. Good job. Giant. Good job. Good job. That's just like when we do around the world with our rows, but you guys can do that at home too. All right. So remember, guys, we were learning about the rule when before adding the suffix and bigger er or est and biggest est. Remember, those are suffixes. And what is a suffix? Yes, it's an addition to a root word, and it goes at the end of a word. So, with the rule, when a root word ends with a Y, you take out the Y and you put an I before adding or est. Okay? So, let's look here. We take out the Y and put in the I when we're adding the suffix or est. So if we have the word heavy, heavy. Now remember, we need to take out the Y, okay? And in its place, we're going to add I-E-R. Now let's rewrite it so it looks neat, okay? So we have, let me do this here, H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier, heavier. Okay, now let's go ahead. And what's this word? We have coal and clock. What else? Ow and out. And E and baby. So what's this word? Cloudy. Cloudy. Now let's rewrite it with the and bigger. So let's rewrite it. So we're going to spell it exactly how we see here, but we're going to change the Y. So we have C-L-O-U-D. Nope, we got to take out the Y and add an I. Now we could do or est. Now, how do we pronounce that word? Do we say cloudist? No, the word is still cloudy. Cloudiest is the word, the new word. So we're going to do the back of your paper that you did yesterday. So you did this yesterday. On the back, we're at page 130 of that paper. We want to remember, when a root word ends with Y and the suffix begins with E, change the Y to an I before adding the suffix. Okay, so we have S and peaches, ES, and ed and wanted, or tut and looked, or dut and played, ED. So we have the word baby. But if there's 5 of them, that's not a baby anymore. It's babies. So when we rewrite the word baby, we take out the Y, add an I, and then ES. For this row, you're going to add ES to each of these words. For this one, we're going to add ED, which is tut and looked, ed and wanted, dut and played, ED. So this word is cry. We got to take out the Y and add what? An I. We got to add an I and then the ED. So we had cry, now it's cried. Okay, now for this row, you're going to add ED for try, dry, and fry. So that's what you're going to do as soon as we end this video. You'll do this side, and then on the bottom, you're going to circle all the special sounds and mark the vowels. What are we going to do? Good. Okay, one more thing. If you can make a star, and I know many of you like making stars on your worksheet, if you can make a star, if you can't, just make a little circle next to the word if it's a compound word. Who knows what a compound word is? A compound word is 2 small words put together. Let's think of one. Ooh, this is something you might get at a birthday party. It's just, there's individual ones, and it's a little treat for dessert. What is it called? Cupcake. What's the compound word? Cupcake. So, for each compound word, you're going to put a little star beside the compound word, but I still want you marking all your vowels and circling your special sounds. You can stop your device now and go ahead and get to your paper. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.